Welcome back to Review Revolt. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming PC cases, and I have something truly exciting to share with you. This is the best Gamdias Athena M2 Lite, a stunning mid-tower case that promises to elevate your gaming setup with style and functionality. So, if you're looking to enhance your rig's aesthetics and cooling performance, stay tuned as we explore all the features of this remarkable case. First off, let's talk about the design. The Gamdias Athena M2 Lite boasts a sleek and modern look, highlighted by a tempered glass side panel that beautifully showcases your components. It's not just about looks, though. This case comes equipped with 4 built-in 120mm ARGB PWM fans that provide both excellent airflow and customizable lighting effects. The unique under-glowing RGB lighting adds an immersive touch to your gaming experience, making your setup not just functional but visually striking. Now, cooling is crucial for any gaming setup, and Gamdias has ensured that the Athena M2 Lite delivers outstanding airflow. The case supports an extensive cooling setup, allowing you to install additional fans if needed. You can fit two 140mm or 120mm fans on top, 3 120mm fans in the front, and one 140mm fan at the rear. Plus, it supports AIO coolers of up to 360mm in the front, keeping your components running at optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions. Next, let's touch on cable management. The Gamdias Athena M2 Lite makes this process simple and clean with a spacious interior layout. It features a PSU shroud that helps hide unsightly cables, ensuring your build looks neat and organized. Additionally, the magnetic dust filter on top makes cleaning a breeze, so you can maintain your case's aesthetics without hassle. One of the standout aspects of the Athena M2 Lite is its expandability. This case provides ample room for storage with the option for multiple HDD and SSD configurations. You can install two 3.5-inch or one 2.5-inch hard drives along with a dedicated tray for two additional 2.5-inch drives. This flexibility is perfect for gamers who need extra space for their extensive game libraries or want to incorporate a fast SSD for improved load times. For those who value customization, the Athena M2 Lite shines bright. With support for 5V RGB motherboards, you can sync your lighting effects effortlessly across all compatible components. This means you can unify your gaming aesthetic and create a stunning visual display that matches your unique style. In conclusion, the Gamdias Athena M2 Lite is a fantastic option for gamers seeking a mid-tower case that combines elegance with functionality. With its impressive cooling capabilities, convenient cable management, and eye-catching RGB features, it's a worthy addition to any gaming setup. If you're looking to build or upgrade your PC, I highly recommend checking this one out. Thanks for watching Review Revolt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Some text goes here. What do you think of the Gamdias Athena M2 Lite? Some text goes here. Until next time, keep gaming and keep revolting against the ordinary.